Yesterday, the federal government launched covidtests.gov, the next step in the Biden administration's plan to increase COVID-19 testing.
Each United States household can visit the website and request up to 4 at-home COVID-19 test kits, which we're told will be delivered to your front door by the Postal Service. News Channel 11's Nick Dugan spoke with an area doctor about best practices when it comes to testing yourself at home for COVID.
With the federal government's website now up and running, acquiring up to 4 at-home COVID-19 test kits per household is as simple as just a few clicks. And one area healthcare professional is recommending you do just that.
I've already signed up, and I think 4 are on their way to my home.
Dr. Brian Enriquez, an urgent care physician for the Holston Medical Group, says that the best time to use that at-home test is when you begin to show COVID-19 symptoms. And if you do take that test and receive a positive result,
you can be very confident that you in fact have COVID-19.
He explained that a false negative result is more likely, especially when testing rather quickly after symptoms present themselves.
Holding on to the tests until you've been sick for a day or two isn't the worst idea.
It's also a compelling reason, he says, to test multiple times, at least 24 hours apart.
If you have availability to another test right before going into that activity, and if both of those tests are negative, you're kind of in a much better place than if that second test that you take going into an activity is now positive.
Working in the urgent care, Enriquez has seen the number of testing appointments and positive tests rise, which is why he believes additional at-home testing could be a game changer.
These home tests really have the opportunity to identify more people that should stay home and isolate and quarantine, and all of a sudden that's going to really translate to a decrease in cases in the long run.
In Johnson City, Nick Dugan, News Channel 11.
You may be forced to wait on those tests ordered from the government website. They're not going to arrive until at least 7 to 12 days. That's according to the U.S. Postal Service.